My skin used to be a big problem for me. It honestly felt like a nightmare I couldn't wake up from. One day, after trying a new face wash, my skin turned red and angry. It was hot, itchy, and covered in bumps. My face felt rough, tight, and uncomfortable, like sandpaper stretched too thin. Every morning I dreaded looking in the mirror. I just wanted clear, calm skin, but it seemed impossible. Makeup only made things worse, highlighting every flaw. I felt helpless, lost, and embarrassed. Social events became terrifying. I avoided friends, made excuses, and dreaded anyone seeing my skin up close. It wasn't just physical. It crushed my confidence. I wanted to hide from the world, hoping things would get better. But every day it just seemed to get worse. My skin felt like a disaster zone. I tried to cover it up, but nothing worked. The more I tried, the more hopeless I felt. I stopped taking photos, stopped going out, and stopped feeling like myself. My skin controlled my life. I felt like I'd never escape this cycle. It was exhausting, physically and emotionally. I wondered if my skin was ruined forever. I missed feeling comfortable in my own skin. I just wanted to feel normal again. But at that time, normal felt so far away. My confidence was at zero. I was desperate for a change. Living with bad skin changed everything. My mood sank as my skin got worse. I felt like everyone was staring at me, even if they weren't. I hid under hoodies, avoided eye contact, and tried to disappear. Everyday tasks felt overwhelming. I panicked at the thought of running into someone I knew. I stopped taking photos and avoided social media. My skin dictated my life, and I hated it. I felt frustrated, angry, and jealous of people with clear skin. No matter what I tried, nothing worked. I felt like a failure. My energy and happiness were at an all-time low. I avoided mirrors, but sometimes I'd stare at my skin for hours, picking at it. It was a cycle of hope and disappointment. Every new product brought a little hope, but the letdowns were crushing. I just wanted one day where I didn't have to think about my skin. The emotional toll was huge. I longed to feel normal and free. My skin was a dark cloud over everything. I missed feeling open and happy. Even small things felt impossible. I just wanted to break free from this cycle. But every day felt the same. I was stuck. I needed a way out. I tried everything, every product, every trend. My bathroom was full of half-used bottles, harsh scrubs, DIY masks, toothpaste on pimples. You name it, I tried it. Most things just made my skin worse. I listened to advice from friends and the internet, but nothing helped. Natural didn't always mean gentle. Lemon and baking soda burned my skin. Toothpaste dried out my pimples but left red, flaky patches. I was desperate, so I kept experimenting. I even saw a professional, but the strong creams only made my skin peel and sting. The cycle of hope and disappointment was endless. I read glowing reviews, bought new products, and ended up disappointed every time. I didn't understand ingredients or my skin type. I was just guessing, and my guesses were always wrong. My skin felt worse, and so did I. I wasted money and damaged my skin even more. I felt like giving up. Nothing seemed to work. I was stuck in a dark place, both inside and out. My confidence was gone. I needed a new approach. I was tired of fighting my skin. I wanted to find real answers. I just wanted to feel comfortable again. Something had to change. After so many failures, I was ready to give up. Then, I stumbled on a video, not about miracle products, but about understanding skin. The person talked about the skin barrier, describing it as a brick wall that protects your skin. If it's damaged, your skin gets red, sensitive, and irritated. That was exactly my problem. The advice was simple: be gentle, focus on hydration, and stop attacking your skin. This was the opposite of what I'd been doing. I realized my skin wasn't my enemy. It was hurt and needed help to heal. I started researching ingredients like ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and Centella asiatica. These help repair and calm the skin barrier. It finally made sense. I decided to change my approach. No more harsh scrubs, drying alcohols, or strong fragrances. I looked for simple, gentle products with short ingredient lists. This was my turning point. I stopped fighting my skin and started working with it. It was a small shift in thinking, but it changed everything. My skin needed kindness, not punishment. I focused on healing, not hiding. I learned to listen to my skin's needs. This new mindset was the real discovery. It wasn't about a miracle product. It was about understanding and patience. I finally felt hope. I was ready to start fresh. My skin's health and my happiness began to improve. The light at the end of the tunnel was real. I was on the right path. Healing was possible, and it all started with being gentle. I threw out all my harsh products and started fresh. My new routine was simple: cleanse, hydrate, protect. I chose a gentle, creamy cleanser that didn't strip my skin. For hydration, I used a serum with hyaluronic acid and Centella asiatica. These ingredients soothed and plumped my skin. I patted the serum onto damp skin. No more rubbing or scrubbing. Next, I used a moisturizer with ceramides to lock in hydration and strengthen my skin barrier. It wasn't too heavy or too light, just comfortable. I used it morning and night. My skin started to feel softer and less rough. The redness and irritation slowly faded. The final step: sunscreen every morning. I picked a mineral sunscreen, gentle enough for sensitive skin. This protected my skin while it healed. These simple steps, done every day, made a huge difference. My skin finally got the kindness it deserved. It was a slow process, but it worked. I learned that less is more. Consistency was key. My skin felt calmer, healthier, and more comfortable. I stopped chasing quick fixes. I focused on gentle care. My confidence started to return. I felt hopeful again. My skin was healing. And so was I. If you're struggling with your skin, you can make it better. Here's a simple plan, just like mine. First, use a gentle cleanser morning and night with lukewarm water. Be gentle. No hard rubbing, just pat dry. Second, add a hydrating serum with ingredients like hyaluronic acid or Centella asiatica. Pat it onto damp skin. Third, moisturize with a product containing ceramides or glycerin. Choose a texture that suits your skin type. Apply it after your serum morning and night. Even oily skin needs hydration. Fourth, use sunscreen every single day, at least SPF 30. Apply it as the last step in your morning routine. Reapply if you're outside for a long time. This simple 4-step plan can truly change your skin. Be patient and consistent. Your skin can heal. You've got this. Skincare shopping can be overwhelming, but you can be smart about it. Learn to read ingredient lists. Don't just trust the packaging. Look for good ingredients like hyaluronic acid, ceramides, niacinamide, and Centella asiatica. Avoid fragrance, essential oils, and drying alcohols, especially if you have sensitive skin. Know your skin type: oily, dry, combination, or sensitive. Choose textures that match your needs. Always patch test new products on a small area before using them on your face. Wait 48 hours to check for reactions. Patch testing can save you from a bad breakout. Take your time to learn what works for you. Don't rush the process. Smart choices lead to better skin. Be patient and test. Changing your skin takes time. Be patient. My gentle routine didn't work overnight, but slowly my skin healed. At first, it just felt less tight. Then the redness calmed and bumps faded. Consistency is key. Stick to your routine every day. Think of it like brushing your teeth. Small habits add up. There will be good days and bad days. Hormones and stress can still cause breakouts. Don't get discouraged. Nobody has perfect skin all the time. The goal is healthier skin, not flawless skin. Celebrate small wins: softer skin, less redness, sticking to your routine. Take photos to track your progress. You'll be surprised how far you've come. Keep going. Your skin will thank you for your patience and care. Progress is possible. Stay gentle and consistent. You're on the right path. My skin journey had a happy outcome. It took time, patience, and learning, but my skin got so much better. The redness calmed, the bumps faded, and my skin felt comfortable again. It's not perfect, but it's healthy. And that's what matters. I learned to listen to my skin and be kind to myself. This journey was about more than products. It was about self-care. If you're struggling, don't lose hope. your skin can heal. Remember the basics: gentle cleansing, hydration, calming ingredients, moisturizer, and sunscreen. Keep it simple and consistent. You have the power to make a positive change. Taking care of your skin is a form of self-love. It's about feeling good in your own skin. When your skin feels healthy, your confidence grows. See your routine as a special time for yourself. You deserve it. Your skin story can have a happy ending or a new beginning. Start today with one gentle step. Your skin will thank you, and you'll thank yourself. You are capable. You are worthy of feeling good. I'm cheering for you every step of the way.